There's some people out there that think, oh, living in your car must be amazing. So much freedom and everything. Correct. However, not everything. There's not much space. So I'm in a little Polo. For example, this is my bed here, and obviously, so if I want to do anything, I'm gonna sit up, and that's impossible. So you have to do everything lying down, and just stretch. And then, like, if you want to move, if you want to get like one thing, you've got to end up moving about 3 things, 4 things. It's really, really mentally like tiring. It can get like quite frustrating at times as well. Like, especially when you're trying to get comfy and you can't move into the right position. That. As you can see today, it's very, very wet and horrible and proper Scotland, I guess. We're just currently waiting to be able to see out the windows so I can drive safely. Once that has happened, I'm driving to Inverness, again pick up some fuel. But I just looked at the weather, it's going to be like this all day, it's going to get worse this afternoon. There's an amber warning for rain where I'm going, so I think I might spend most of the day in the car. I don't know what else I'm going to be able to do. I'm going to be sightseeing for my car today. Like, the rain is just getting worse, and then it's meant to be even worse later, and like flooding and stuff. So I'll try and find a hill to stay on so my car doesn't get flooded and washed away. Apart from that, we're just going to drive around in my car. We're going to get on the move. Don't know how far we'll get, but we'll see. Okay, that. I am so fed up with the rain. I want to go outside. I want to walk around. I've been in my car for ages now. I fed up of being in the car. I had to make a trip to the beach. So of course, as soon as I get out of my car, it starts to rain more. So back to the car. An amazing spot, just completely overshadowed by the weather. But oh well. But if I waited for it to stop raining, I'm in Scotland, I could be waiting weeks. Like, just gotta keep going. I'll find somewhere to bunk down. I'll check the weather again in case it's bad, and chill out from all the driving. Everything today was worthwhile because we have a beautiful sunset. This parking spot is great. There's the information sheet there, and there's a bin.